Well, we are doing a Mitsubishi Colt CZT on the Ecutek software, and as I'm flashing that race ROM to the ECU, I'm going to talk to you about the steering wheel, because I want one of these for my Colt. So my Colt is having a new column fitted and a Corsa C power steering system. So obviously with the column and the rack, I won't be able to retain my Mitsubishi steering wheel, but I do like the look of this little OMP one. I do like it a lot. Yeah, so I'm going to get one of these. It's nice. Okay, so that's the race ROM installed anyway, so we're good to go in a moment, but I'll tell you what mods we've got, shall I, on this one? Yeah, so we have got a GizFab downpipe, a custom 2.5-inch exhaust. Looks like that's actually going to a standard back box, but it's also got a K&N induction kit. So, you know, we're sort of there for sort of stage 1 power. Customers hoping for 205 brake horsepower. We shall see. It makes what it makes. It's all custom tuned. So let's find out. Richard, a Mitsubishi Colt CZT, and you have just finished mapping it, and now you're trying to make it flame. What do you know? Try it. It did put out a nice, quiet pookle of a flame, but
it's got a standard back box on it still, ain't it? So it's not.
Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? Because it's got quite a nice GizFab downpipe to a custom, completely decatted and deboxed exhaust system, but then it goes down to the original back box, which seems quite restrictive.
I think it's made power. I mean, it's not.
It has made power, yeah.
No problem on power, but just not getting the pops and bangs that he wants. But I mean, that just may be a byproduct of the standard back box. Well, probably he's going to have that with the standard back box.
Yeah, sure. But he'd probably be able to fit a back box to it, and then.
Yeah,
Maybe. Well, let's see if we get some. Well, there we have it. As per usual, the blue line is as we finish, and the red line is as it came in. We finished today on this Colt CZT at 208 brake horsepower, which is 180 at the wheels, and 221 foot-pound of torque, which is not bad at all considering we have decided that it definitely wants a back box to make some noise. It's on a standard back box. So, what do you say, Rich? Oh, sorry, hang on. Yeah. So a back box delete then for ultimate pops and bangs.
Well, I wouldn't say back box delete. That's not really the right way, but certainly, you know, like putting a full system on. So decent, like Scorpion back boxes will pop and bang, no problem.
Yeah, it's just on a stock box, ain't it? So.
Yeah, I think it's all in there in the map, and occasionally it will drop a bomb, but
yeah.
It's
well,
not,
I've got a photograph
consistent.
of flames coming out of it, man. Big flames, but it was almost like a silent, stealth
silent
flame. Yeah, you know, like when your dad tries to light the barbecue for 15 minutes, it doesn't quite go, and then it does go, and it's like woof, like that. Yeah,
takes your eyebrows off.
Yeah. I had some great barbecues as a kid, you know. My dad was like Mr. Dangerous with the barbecue.
I've seen you barbecue. You'll know better.
Everyone's a cook till the real cook turns up.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, there's another one done. Another one in the bag. Colt CZT with a carbon fibre wrap bonnet. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you'd be so kind and you've got a Mitsubishi Colt CZT, say hello in the comments. Let us know what power you're up to. Let us know what mods you've got. That'd be cool. We'll speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.
Life moves pretty fast.